Degussa has introduced us to the next generation of its milling machines, the F3 Ergo. It has a new design with an ergonomic shape and precision-machined components. The press release highlights that the hand and arm supports are comfortable. We agree with that. Degussa also points out that the controls are conveniently placed. We'd agree with that too. A new feature is that the milling arm is locked pneumatically instead of magnetically, and that it functions without any free play. All things considered, we regard the new F3 Ergo milling machine as a successful follow-up model to the F1 and F2.